I'm here to discuss about 3 organic and natural face wash I have from the most popular Indian brands. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon in case you need further notification on such videos. By end of this video, if you think it's informative enough, please hit the like button as well. So let's quickly get into my first product, which is from Wow. Wow is an Indian brand. And this particular face wash is known as Wow Vitamin C Face Wash, which has a built-in applicator as well. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is the applicator. This is a silicone soft bristle, and the product, whenever you press this, the product comes in a foaming form through this bristle, which is very easy for the application. So this particular bottle weighs around 150 ml and would cost you around $3.99. Wow has a dedicated website for this particular products. All the Wow products, you can buy it from there with good discounts. However, you can get it from any other website in India as well. This one has the main ingredient for this particular brand. This particular bottle is mulberry. Mulberry is an ingredient which helps in slowing down your melanin production. Melanin is something which makes your skin darker. The quantity of melanin, if it is more on your skin looks more darker. So this would, the company claims, this would reduce the production of that particular melanin cells in your skin. There is the second main ingredient here is liquorice extract with vitamin C and lemon. Now these ingredients would detoxify your skin and reduces the sebum production as well. The other ingredient in it is orange essential oil is there in this as well. So but basically this particular face wash is a formula to block the melanin production. It mattifies and it makes your skin brighten with lowering down the pigmentation, and it also blocks the free radicals. This is a natural product, so it doesn't have any harmful product in it, like it's a natural and organic product. The claim of this product is it would brighten your skin, as well as it is an anti-aging product. The ingredients which it has have an anti-aging effect. However, I have been using this for almost 2 to 3 months and I've almost finished this bottle. It does cleanse your face. The highlight for me is this particular bristle bit, which helps clean your face very nicely. The kind of massage we do it with our fingers and clean it, this does that job very nicely. It's a very good innovation. So even with your makeup, it cleans your face very nicely. But however, I don't find any brightening effect with this particular product, and there is no anti-aging effect as well, but it cleanses your face nicely in your day-to-day life. With such a price tag, you can use it you can use it like with this price tag without expecting some dramatic changes to your face. It cleanses very well, and in case you have a skin like me, which is very sensitive, and any kind of products would react very soon to your skin, this is something you can consider, because it has no harmful chemicals in it. The second product which I have is from another Indian brand, which is an organic brand known as BOTANICA. This is also a vitamin C brightening face wash. This is how the product packaging looks like. It's a normal plastic packaging with a pump. This is how it looks like, and this would weigh you around I guess it's 200 ml weight with INR 549. Again, this company also have a dedicated website for their products. You can buy it from there as well as from any other Indian websites. With a good discount, you would get nice discounts on these products. This is the main ingredient for this particular product is turmeric, cypress, neem, lemon, orange. These are main ingredients, and the highlighting ingredient is always obviously it's vitamin C, and they have used two stable form of vitamin C, which is known as ethyl ascorbic acid and sodium ascorbyl phosphate. These two particular ingredients are very stable form of vitamin C, which is very good for your sensitive skin or any kind of skin which is very reactive to products. Uh, Again, this company also claims that it has brightening effect, as well as it lightens your scars, and it boosts your collagen. So again, one more ingredient which I forgot to mention here is aloe vera. The aloe vera is we all know it soothes our skin, and it is a very good moisturizer, so even that is here. Along with that, Kashmiri saffron is there, and neem as well for antibacterial effect. The ingredient which it has is very promising, and it sounds very good. However, the product doesn't have any brightening effect as such. It doesn't even have any collagen boosting factor. I have not experienced it. I have little bit marks on my skin, which this product didn't help me with. However, this is a very good face wash for a day-to-day life cleansing, normal cleansing of your face, even with heavy makeup. It is a very heavy product. I mean, it's a jelly and very it's not runny actually. It's a heavy product, and it's very nice to be used in day-to-day life, because it cleanses your makeup, as well as any kind of dirt which you are having on your surface of your face. It doesn't, I don't know if it works for any deep cleansing, such as cleansing your pores or something, but in a general way, it's a nice product in your day-to-day life. You can consider this. It is paraben free, it's silicone free, with no harmful chemicals. So this is something, it's a plus point to this product. This is something you can consider in your day-to-day life in case you're having very sensitive skin. With such price tag, it's a good product. The third product which I have is from Pure Sense. Pure Sense is a brand from Kaya Skin Clinic. It's an Indian brand and have a lot of good products under this brand, and they have their own salon as well, which is known for very good they have very good results from their salon. So I consider this skincare a lot. I keep on buying a lot of things from this skincare. This is how the packaging looks like for this particular face wash. I'll show you the bottle inside it. This is known as Pure Sense Relaxing Macadamia Soothing Face Cleansing Gel. This is what the name of the face wash. It's too long. However, it has a very nice packaging. I just love the packaging of this particular product. This is how it looks like. It's a glass jar. Very nice glass jar. And this weighs around 100 ml with a price of 695 INR. Again, Pure Sense also have a dedicated website for their products, and you can buy it from there with a very good discount generally they give. So this one, as known as macadamia face wash, the main ingredient for this particular product is macadamia nut oil, which is known for its its effect on aging. It fights with signs of aging. Other than that, it has almond oil with vitamin E and zinc, which moisturizes your skin very well, as well as it lightens your scars. It also has sunflower oil, which unclogs your pore and minimizes your pore as well. So the ingredient sounds very good, very promising, and again, this also doesn't have any brightening effect on your skin. It does a little bit for your marks, and it does control your sebum production. The eye generally doesn't break out when I'm using this particular product. So in that way, I consider this one among the all three one. But it has a bit higher on cost part other than the two products, but it would last you long, and the results is good for this product. It's not very heavy on your skin. It's not this one is also paraben free, silicone free, and doesn't have any formaldehydes. So this is purely organic and natural product, and it has an amazing smell, a very soothing smell, and a little amount of it goes with good enough for your face for a wash. So these are the three products which I have been using for last few months, and I'm very happy with the results of it in my day-to-day life. I may consider buying these again, this one specially. So these are the three products which you can consider buying in your day-to-day life without any expectation of any kind of magic, but these are really good products, being natural, being paraben free and silicone free, and any harmful chemicals, you can consider them. In case you use them, let me know how you feel, and in case you have any questions, please put them in the comment box below. And till my next video of the products which I use, keep safe, keep and take care of your health and family. Have a good day. Bye.